Good morning, dear traders. Here's Frederick from TradersClub24. Today is the 20th March 2019. It's 8:50 again, and we want to trade the market opening in the DAX. So we trade our daily breakout strategy, which we have developed over the past years, called Swissbox, and we range the market or the price like around 15 points, and we set two pending orders, like a buy and a sell order, right? So the orange box, which you can see over here, is the first trading hour, the daily high and daily low, and this is where we will place our pending orders in this area, in case the market should go up or down. Yeah. So so I will be back in like a couple minutes, and for those who are new, I will demonstrate you how we set our pending orders and how we get out of the market. So the entry is always manually, so you need to press some buttons and adjust the market or adjust the range and how you want it, and then the exit is always automatic. So after we have placed the pending orders and activated it, and we don't have to do anything anymore. Okay, so yes, I will be back in a couple minutes and will demonstrate you how our strategy works. Okay. Okay, so yes, we have a risk plan over here where we risk 0.10% from our capital to make 0.5 or 0.05, right? So the box lines, the pending orders are always like 15 points big in the DAX. Yeah, in different markets they are different. In the FTSE, you can trade it with 8 points. Distance in the Dow Jones, it needs to be bigger because there's more volatility. And yes, so it looks like this, and we will just place it over here, um, and put the entry on, right? So in this case, it has changed visually. Let me squeeze the box a bit. We are in our first trade already. Is a long position right now, and as you can see, we are trading this trade with one lot, right? Or the volume is one um, per point. Okay, so we are not going to do anything anymore. We are just waiting to get out of the market. The special thing about Swissbox strategy is that we are working with a multiplicator, right? So in case you are wondering what is the multiplicator doing, and we can go in both directions with our strategy. We can go in both directions with our strategy, and then um, in case that we are not going out in the first trade, the second trade will allow us to not close the first position, but we will multiply by 3, and then we will go out with profit in the other side, right? Okay, so right now we are going to the right direction. We have like 5 minutes left till the market opens in Frankfurt. The distance from the first pending order to the take profit line is 7.5 points. Yes. So with this strategy, you can trade it in a 1 minute time frame, even in a 5 minute time frame, but it's not worth it to go into the higher time frames with this strategy. We have different strategies which we are offering. It's like you enter the market in a short time distance and go out. Like the target is 0.10. That means your win ratio is very high. Um, Yes, so we have another strategy called the Kinyu Sen, which is a 4-hour strategy. So it's based on a 4-hour time frame, and a daily strategy, which is very profitable as well. So if you have some questions about our strategies, please send us an email, and we will be happy to help you. Here we have like 30 seconds left till the market opens in Frankfurt. Um, so yeah, the stock exchange opens actually. So we have a couple seconds to go. Okay, so it's 9 a.m. 9 a.m. The volatility came in right now. So the bells are ringing. over here, and the market has turned around. So our target is 7.5 points, and let's see. Basically, what you can do as well is, in case you are wondering, for those who are always watching our channel, and you are wondering why we go out after 7.5 points, we just want to get in quick and get out as soon as possible. But there's opportunity to customize your take profit line and just adjust it, just drag it to the up or down. So you can, or you can take more profit if you want, if you have the experience with the Swiss box, how to handle it, how to know how the systematic works. Of course you can. Okay, so we are in our second trade. Um, Second trade, the target is still 7.5 points. We are not going to do anything. Just wait till the market decides for its direction. Um, so it's 7 past 9, and we are still in this trade. Usually it don't take so long. So usually the average minutes of being in a trade is like 7 minutes actually. But right now the volatility is low a bit, so there's no problem. We are just gonna wait till the market decides which direction it wants to go. Right. So for us it's really relative. We don't really care about any trends as soon the volatility is inside the market or in the price. Um, we can go in both directions with our strategy. That's why we don't care about any trends or analysis, these kind of things, right? Okay, we are out of the market. In our second trade, we got out of the market. It's 12 past 9. Um, we can actually do another trade right now. I will switch to the YouTube live stream right now. So if you are interested, please just check our live stream. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time, and we will see us tomorrow. Today in the evening, news. Yeah, the Fed